Hey everybody, I'm coming to you live from the Pepcom show floor at CES 2018, and in my hand I have the Puffco Peak. It's a concentrate vaporizer, and it's been called the bong of the future. Let me show you how it works. You simply load the cannabis concentrate of your choice, whether it's a wax, a shatter, crumble, or oil, into this little heating chamber. Place the cap on it, double-click the button down there. It'll heat up in 20 seconds. That's a heck of a lot faster than e-rigs or even the older butane-powered torch ones. Wait 20 seconds, leave that on, and then enjoy. There are 4 distinct power and heating settings depending on how you like to consume your cannabis. Lower temperatures for more flavorful stuff, higher temperatures for a stronger hit. It's battery powered, and the battery itself takes about 2 hours to charge up fully, but will last between 25 and around 30 hits per cycle. The Peak is going to go on pre-sale starting January 15th, and will begin shipping early February. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates from the Pepcom show floor and everything else that we're doing at CES 2018 at Engadget.com.